The comarca of La Garrotxa is one of the most beautiful and peculiar in Catalonia. Through 15 routes, we will discover its history, art, mountains, and the secrets that hide cities like Olot, the capital. A great tour to get to know the geographical elements of La Garrotxa is the La Garrotxa viewpoint, which guides us to the best perspectives of this old and volcanic territory. To get to know the comarca, you should understand its history, and therefore there are several routes which tell us of its evolution. From the creation of the volcanoes, the Roman times, the Romances revolt, the Carlist Wars, and the Industrial Revolution, etc. Along the Roman road route, for example, we will walk the Capsacosta path, which with more than 2,000 years of history links La Garrotxa with El Ripollès. However, most of the best preserved heritage is medieval. The Middle Ages were times of pilgrimages, such as the St. James Way, and it was also when the first towns were constructed around hermitages and churches. The medieval route, the Romanesque hermitages, or Jewish Besalú, are great examples of this. Halfway through the 15th century, the Val d'Hosteles experienced the first European revolt against the humiliation and abusive treatment to which the peasants were subjected by the feudal lords. Also related to the history, in the 19th century, several industries used the force of water for production. We will see some along the patrimonial heritage route. In memories of the last Carlist War, we will visit some of the settings where the Third Carlist War took place. The La Garrotxa Volcanic Zone Natural Park is a geological and natural area with 40 volcanic cones and 20 lava flows. With routes such as Olot volcanoes or the core of the natural park, we will visit and discover the secrets and wonders of these places. Choose the route which best fits your interests to enjoy the comarca of La Garrotxa.